Hello English 6 students. This is my tutorial on how to use Canva to make slides that demonstrate your knowledge of vocabulary words. Let's get started. As you can see, I have many designs I've already created. For you to do the same, you create an account with Canva on canva.com. Once you've created an account, you're going to go down to templates right here. You're going to choose education and then education presentations. Do not choose one that has a little crown because those have an extra added cost. As you can see, it says Pro with a crown. We are going to choose this one right here and customize. Our goal is to create slides that have our vocabulary words and use images that show our understanding of those words. This is a screen where you find the information you need, such as photos, text, so you can add words. You can upload photos if you like, but I suggest we use elements. Let's do that now. You click on it and you can type in your vocabulary word. I'm going to use this since it's already here to write heart doctor. Now I'm going to make it bigger by highlighting it and increasing the font size. Let's go up to 40. This doesn't go with the vocabulary word, so I'm going to click on it and hit delete. Now you can search for anything you need right here. Heart. You can use animated images, animations, and you can make them smaller by dragging on the circle. I'm going to click on this and delete this as well and move my animated hearts over. Now anything you've looked at before will stay in your recently used or viewed section. So I'm going to click on this that I looked at earlier because I think it goes well with heart doctor. And as you can see, I'm moving it where I want it. Then I'm going to look for an image of a doctor and place him there. All right, if you want to see your whole slide, click this over and you can see your slide really large. This background can also be moved around and you can duplicate by clicking and hitting duplicate. So now I have more hearts for my heart doctor. Let's make another slide. Go to the bottom and hit that plus symbol, add page. It gives you a blank frame to work from. So what do we do with this? Let's add text. I'm going to click here and let's do the word neonatal, which was another one of our vocabulary words. All right, I'm going to highlight it. You can change the font if you like. You can make it smaller or bigger. You can change the color of the words as well. So let's do this golden brown. All right, I'm going to move it around. Once I let go, there it stays. Under elements, I'm going to find some pictures. Neonatal means a newborn or having to do with a new birth. So I'm going to pick this picture. See how it's animated? A dad feeding a baby. You could also pick an actual photo from the gallery. So now I've got a little baby, a newborn, and a dad. What if I wanted to add the definition? I'm going to add some text. All right, let me move it so it doesn't hang on top of the picture. And I'm going to type that neonatal means newborn. All right, now if you wanted to present it in class, you would click on present and present again. Look at that beautiful slide. Now if you go to the bottom or you press one of your arrow buttons on your keyboard, you can see your other slides. So you are going to do the same thing with your vocabulary words and demonstrate your understanding of these words. You're going to create a slide for each of your 12 vocabulary words and then you will share them in class. All right, if you wanted to escape your large presentation, you will hit the escape button. And as you see, it goes back there. Let me show you how to back out. On the top, hit home. You'll go back to the home page for Canva. Scroll down. recent designs are kept for you. You can click on the little pencil to name your recent designs. So if this was our most recent design and I wanted to change it to Vocabulary Slides, Chapter 3, I hit enter, it saves it. When I click on it and open it up, there are my slides. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now you know how to show me what words you know and images that go with them. I look forward to seeing your creations. Bye-bye.